almost took out the tripod with that one. So every single one of these shots you've seen have been individual jumps. No multiple cameras. Yes, I knew it as soon as I drove up. Look at my front shock. And if you guys watch the unboxing video of this Goliath, like this is my hand, guys. This is a monster machine. That shock is enormous. Oh, yes! No damage. Oh, I thought I had damage. It did not break the post. Just the insert right here. And then the nut on the end. Yeah! Man, any damage at all? Only one place I know of for sure. Ah, look at this body post right here. A mounting spot for the body. And then I cracked this arm here yesterday off camera. And I also had a little bit of body punch through right there. But I've been bashing on this truck all week long. Like, look at this. You guys here. This is a giant truck, if you can even kind of get the concept of how big it is. Insane, guys. I love this thing. Yes, it could be faster. A lot of people say it needs to be faster, but I gotta tell you, for what it is, 80 pounds, I cannot believe. I'm not using multiple cameras, just one main camera and my GoPro for the onboard shots. Every single shot, every jump is shot one after another, so no repetitive shots, right? So there you go, guys. I'm gonna order up some parts. Maybe I should do a teardown and kind of break it apart, look at the gears and stuff, grease it up. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are interested in even seeing that, or if I should just keep on bashing with the Raminator. Guys, smash that like button. Thanks a lot. I love sacrificing the truck for your entertainment. We'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures.